Hello there, my name is Chris Palmer, and in today's Black Hat SEO Techniques video, I'd like to share with you a Black Hat SEO technique that involves backlink building that can certainly be used for negative SEO. Now, of course, in this video, I will be walking you through and giving you the Black Hat technique, but more importantly, I'm enlightening you to the fact of what to look for so this does not happen to you. So, of course, let's not waste any time. Let's get right into this Black Hat SEO technique. So, first and foremost, I need you to remember when we're looking at backlinks, all right, what we're looking for is highly relevant. All right, so you need to keep this in mind. So one, we're looking for relevance, all right? I could have spelled that wrong, but relevance. Two, we're looking for authority. If you're looking at a third-party metric, this could be DAPA, DRUR, TFCF, right? We're looking for relevant, high authoritative, and we're looking for power. We're looking for referring domains, right? Now, alongside of that, what tends to really be the most impactful is if it's relevant, all right? If it's authoritative, if it has a high power, aka referring domains, but the anchor text, when we want to build authoritative links, the anchor text, we want it to be partial, exact match, or brand related, and or sometimes you're even going to mix in just a generic, but not too often. So I want you to think about this when we're building links. Now let's look at this as a negative SEO or Black Hat SEO technique. Now let's, for instance, let's just quickly pull this up so we can start getting a better idea of what I'm talking about, okay? So let's go ahead and move this down here. All right, but I want you to keep this in mind. Relevance, authority, power, referring domains, anchor text. And this is the same way. If I have a website, all right, let's bring this up very briefly here. If I have a website, okay, and this is my website, this is my money site, okay, my money site. And if I want to rank higher, not only do I need to optimize the page, but I need to build relevant, authoritative, high power with rich anchor text backlinks to my website. This is going to be positive SEO backlink building, right? This isn't necessarily Black Hat. However, if I were to switch this and I'm sending relevant, authoritative, high power, and the right anchor text, this is key right here, anchor text into a domain, but these factors are going to be negative, meaning that the anchor texts and the links that are coming in are going to be what? They would be casino, right? They would be also pharma, right? Pharma. They would be XXX rated, all right? Now, but these are highly authoritative, high powered with anchor text coming in. When enough of this happens, Google will start to see, wait a second, maybe this site is about casino. Maybe this site is about pharma. Maybe this site is about X-rated material. So also, if we're building this out, a lot of times what will happen is you'll see relevance, authority, high power with the right anchor text coming into your website. If you're sitting on your money site and you're seeing all these links coming in, you're thinking, man, these are powerful links. Where are these links coming from? And they have the right anchor text. These are the anchor texts that you want to see. They're related to your brand, all right? They are the anchor text that you want to see. They're related to your brand. They're keyword rich, all right? They're also going to be naked, all right? At a flip of a switch, a competitor can take these once anchor texts that were being helpful and boosting you up and switch them to this. And the next thing you know, your site has been negatively affected by Black Hat SEO techniques that are utilizing backlinks for backlink building. The main takeaway that I want to give you today is this. It's often misconstrued that when you want to use backlinks as a negative SEO practice, that it's going to be mass amount of spammy links that are coming into the site that are going to tank the site. No, The negative SEO attack is performed when high power, high quality links are sent in. They have been registered, they have been crawled, and then the anchor texts are switched. So Google is then thinking that your site is now about these factors here, and your site begins to derank. My name is Chris Palmer. If you have any further questions related to negative SEO, black hat SEO, gray hat SEO, white hat SEO, really anything at all, always feel free to go ahead and leave it in the comments below, and I most certainly look forward to seeing you in the next Black Hat SEO Techniques Negative SEO video. Have a wonderful day.